Okay, Professor, this is where I am with my project at the moment. As I told you, all of the photo resistors are all in backwards. They're being forward biased, and I haven't changed that yet because I wanted to make this recording first so you could see that it's working to an extent before I make any major changes, because it might not work after that, and I don't want to waste any more time because I don't have any time. You can see that these three here, technically it's four. See this one right here lights up like these, but I just want to note that it's pretty interesting that only these four do this. And it seems that the strength of the or the size of the analog to digital conversion is largest starting with this one, because this LED is brighter, this one's less bright, and then the least bright. Another interesting thing is all of these resistors in this 4 here are all on one analog input. The next row is on another analog input, and all the rows are on separate analog inputs. For some reason, these are almost always on. These two come on and off, but these are pretty much always on. I think there might be something in the wiring that I might have screwed up. There might be something in my code that's screwed up. I don't know. But I'm gonna have to sit down and try and figure that out. But as I said, for the most part, you can see that this circuit actually, it works. These here work pretty fine. I like it if they were more sensitive, which I can do if I change the voltage divider resistance of the resistors. I can change the amount of, there's a whole lot of stuff that I still have to do. I don't know, but if I change these resistors so that more voltage drops across the photoresistors, then they become more sensitive. If I change these so that less voltage drops across the photoresistors, these will actually turn off, but it's only turning off because the sensors are less sensitive. Right now, I don't know how I have it set right now, but I still have a lot to do. But I just want to show you that the circuit does work, and it's fast. It's not sluggish like you've seen in that one other video. This one seems that's still working. It's very fast. So it's not sluggish like you saw in that one other video that I showed you. So I mean, for the most part, this is working. If I put a piece of paper over the top, you can see as I bring the paper down, you can see they all start to come on, and then when it's right on top of it, they're all on. If I pull the paper, just slide the paper across, you can see them go out. But there's definitely something buggy with these, because even like, see how they're flickering? I'm just dragging the paper across the top. That's not supposed to do that. There's definitely an issue. I have to sit down with it and figure it out. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that it actually does work. I think maybe a future version of this, I'm not going to have it where it changes intensity. I'm not sure, but it is cool. But the issue is that from a distance, they come on, and yeah, this is really buggy. It's supposed to be very dim, and they get brighter. You can see they get brighter as I come down, but as I come down closer to it, as the light gets brighter, that light bounces back onto the circuit, which makes it look even brighter. So it's kind of hard to tell that it is getting brighter. If you look closely, you can see that it does get brighter, but I think maybe a future version I might just simplify it so that they just come on. And then I don't know, I'll go from there, or I don't know what I'm going to do. But right now I just need to figure out what's going on with this. I need to reverse these, and I still have a lot to do.